Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make taco salad dressing. This recipe is incredibly simple and yields a delicious, creamy dressing that perfectly complements any taco salad. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients: mayonnaise, sour cream, and a splash of milk to achieve the right consistency. Then, we'll dive into the spices that give this dressing its signature taco flavor. Get ready to elevate your salad game with this easy-to-follow guide. Now, let's get our creamy base ready. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise with 1/2 cup of sour cream. These two ingredients form the rich foundation of our dressing. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of milk. This helps to thin the mixture slightly, making it easier to pour and ensuring it coats your salad beautifully. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth and well combined, with no lumps remaining. Now for the magic, the spices. These are what truly transform our creamy base into a taco salad dressing. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and a small dash of paprika, also about 1/4 teaspoon, for that extra pop of color and flavor. Stir all these wonderful spices into your wet mixture until they are fully incorporated. Finally, it's time for the crucial taste test. Give your dressing a try and adjust any seasonings to your liking. You might want to add a pinch of salt or a dash of black pepper to really make the flavors sing. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply whisk in an additional tablespoon of milk until it reaches your desired pourability. For the best flavor, cover and chill the dressing in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade taco salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.